Hi and welcome to InterCat. In our laboratories we use ultra-high vacuum equipment to perform our experiments. Ultra-high vacuum, or short UHV, that is a pressure of below 10 to the minus 10 millibars. Comparing this to the pressure we live in, called atmospheric pressure, we have to remove 13 orders of magnitude to reach ultra-high vacuum pressures. But exactly these low pressures are the ones that are comparable to many regions in the interstellar medium, and especially in star and planet formation regions containing dark molecular clouds made of dust and gas. The low densities that we find in the interstellar medium can be simulated here in the laboratory by the use of ultra-high vacuum equipment. In those chambers, we can reach pressures as low as 10 to the minus 10 millibars. This is crucial for us to be able to perform experiments in the astrophysical context, but also to be surface sensitive. Let me show you why. If we want to perform experiments on a clean surface, we have to consider the time that our experiment will take and also the pressure that our surface is surrounded by. What I have plotted here is the monolayer adsorption time, which is basically a measure of how fast or how long it takes to cover our surface with one whole monolayer of contaminants or dirt, versus the pressure that our surface is sitting in. If we consider now a pressure that we are in right now, atmospheric pressure, which is roughly 10 to the 3 millibars, I will end up with very short time scales, way too short to perform any experiment in the laboratory. So what if I go lower in pressure? Let's consider, for example, 10 to the minus 7 millibars. Isn't this low enough? I will end up with 10 seconds monolayer adsorption time. So even at such low pressures, 10 to the minus 7 millibars, we only have 10 seconds to perform our experiments in the lab. This is still not enough. Let's go even lower in pressure. What about 10 to the minus 10 millibar? I come out here at 10 to the 4 seconds. So 10,000 seconds. These are roughly 3 hours, and 3 hours are enough to perform one experiment.